From smart to futuristic, these Amazon tech gadgets are must-haves for 2025.
If you're serious about taking your food preservation to the next level, the Cosori Food Dehydrator is your ultimate kitchen companion. Designed with 5 spacious BPA-free trays, this dehydrator offers ample room for everything from fruits and herbs to jerky and snacks. One of its standout features is the customizable tray heights, which allow you to adjust for thicker ingredients and make organization a breeze effortlessly. Built to last with solid construction, this dehydrator is as reliable as it is durable. The adjustable temperature range ensures that you'll achieve perfectly dried treats every time, whether you're making homemade beef jerky or drying your favorite fruits. The one-touch digital control panel simplifies temperature adjustments, making it easy for anyone to use. With a 350-watt power rating, it promotes efficient hot air circulation, guaranteeing consistent results. You can even set it for up to 48 hours in 30-minute increments, so once you're set, you can walk away and let it do its thing. The overheat protection and auto shutdown functions add an extra layer of safety, bringing you peace of mind as you preserve your food. Plus, with a noise level under 47 decibels, this dehydrator operates quietly so you can continue drying without the extra noise. Whether you're a seasoned food preserver or just starting out, this Cosori dehydrator is a quiet, efficient, and durable powerhouse that delivers exceptional results every time. Unlock a new level of efficiency and precision in your work with this incredible laser distance measurer. Imagine having a tool that takes the guesswork out of measuring distances and does all the hard work for you without any physical effort. Thanks to its cutting-edge laser technology, this device effortlessly calculates distances by emitting a laser beam that bounces off surfaces. The time it takes for the beam to reflect back helps it generate incredibly accurate measurements that are displayed digitally on the screen. No more manual measurements or complicated calculations. And for even more convenience, you can store and manage your measurements directly on your phone, turning this gadget into a smart tool that streamlines your tasks. Whether you're working on a home project, measuring for furniture, or managing construction work, this laser measurer will make your job faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Get ready to revolutionize your time management with this exceptional 4-in-1 multifunctional timer, a gadget that's sure to keep you on track no matter what you're up to. Whether you're tackling a study session, whipping up a meal, or pushing through a workout, this device has a mode to suit all your needs. With its 4 different features, digital clock, countdown timer, hourglass, and the Pomodoro timer, this compact powerhouse ensures that you stay organized and productive throughout the day. Its small size makes it incredibly portable, easily fitting into your pocket so you can take it with you wherever you go. But that's not all. It comes with a built-in 5,000 milliamp hour power bank, providing 20 watts fast charging to keep your devices running without interruption. The bright, clear LED display makes reading the time effortless, offering complete convenience for anyone looking to streamline their routine. From study sessions to cooking time to fitness goals, this timer is the ultimate tool to help you stay on top of your game every day. Say goodbye to grime and hello to spotless devices with this 20-in-1 cleaning kit. Designed to tackle a wide variety of surfaces and gadgets, this comprehensive tool set is perfect for keeping your electronics in pristine condition. With specialized tools made specifically for cleaning keyboards, screens, and those tricky-to-reach areas, you can ensure every corner of your device is spotless without causing any damage. Plus, the kit comes equipped with microfiber cloths and gentle cleaning solutions formulated for electronics, ensuring a safe yet effective clean that keeps your devices functioning smoothly. Whether you're tidying up your laptop, tablet, or phone, this cleaning kit provides everything you need for a hassle-free and thorough cleaning. Imagine the soothing relief of a professional massage, now available right at your fingertips. This innovative device uses air compression technology to give your legs a relaxing massage with precision. By inflating and deflating air chambers around your legs, it provides a gentle yet highly effective massage that targets muscle fatigue, enhances circulation, and alleviates soreness. With adjustable intensity and duration settings, you can customize the experience to match your personal comfort level, ensuring each session is as relaxing and rejuvenating as you need it to be. Perfect for anyone looking to unwind after a long day or enhance recovery after a workout. If you want to crush garlic effortlessly while keeping your hands odor-free, let me introduce you to Gracula, the garlic crusher with a twist. This charming little gadget redefines the garlic game by smashing cloves instead of shying away from them. Beneath its cute and quirky design lies a set of sharp blades ready to tackle the task. Simply drop your garlic cloves inside, give Gracula a quick twist, and like magic, you've got perfectly crushed garlic, mess-free and ready for your culinary creations. It's a playful yet practical tool that makes cooking not just easier, but a whole lot more fun. Take your cooking game to the next level with the Alpha Griller Digital Meat Thermometer. This essential gadget ensures your meat is cooked to perfection every single time. With its fast and precise temperature readings, you can confidently cook your food to the exact level of doneness you desire, whether you're grilling, roasting, or barbecuing. Say goodbye to the uncertainty of undercooked or overdone meat. This thermometer is a must-have tool for any grill master or home chef who values both safety and flavor in their cooking. Trust this thermometer to help you achieve perfectly cooked meals with ease every time. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly touching soap dispensers with this sleek and efficient automatic soap dispenser. Equipped with an upgraded infrared sensor, this hands-free device ensures a smooth, touchless experience every time you need it. With a generous 17 fluid ounce capacity, you won't have to worry about frequent refills, making it a convenient choice for busy households or workplaces. Its 5 adjustable settings allow you to control the soap output to suit your needs, offering ultimate customization. Crafted from brushed aluminum, this dispenser combines durability with a modern, stylish look. Waterproof and built to last, it's designed to withstand daily use. The no-drip spout ensures a mess-free experience, while the non-slip base keeps it steady and secure on any surface. Whether placed in your kitchen or bathroom, this automatic soap dispenser is the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, offering cleanliness and reliability in one sleek package. Imagine finding yourself in a situation where privacy is paramount and surveillance feels unavoidable. Enter the JMHD-KKM 8000 Hidden Camera Detector, your ultimate tool for uncovering hidden threats and reclaiming your security. This advanced device isn't just any RF bug detector. It takes things up a notch by integrating AI technology to simplify the process of detecting spying devices. Gone are the days of manually tweaking settings for different signal types. The intelligent auto-scan program seamlessly cycles through various detection modes, pinpointing any potential threats. From Wi-Fi cameras and audio bugs to IP cameras, GSM bugs, GPS trackers, phone taps, and wiretaps, this detector can identify them all. Whether it's a concealed camera in a hotel room or a covert listening device in an office, this gadget ensures you remain in control of your privacy wherever you go. For anyone seeking privacy and peace of mind, the Bug Camera Finder is a must-have companion. This clever device offers the ability to uncover hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and listening bugs, providing unmatched security wherever you go. With an impressive detection range spanning from 5 centimeters to 15 meters, it ensures no hidden device goes unnoticed. The Camera Finder operates with lightning-fast scan speeds of up to 2,000 times per second, paired with 6 adjustable sensitivity gears for precision detection. Featuring 2 user-friendly modes, sound and vibration, it delivers straightforward operation without the hassle of complicated buttons. Designed for accuracy and ease, this professional-grade privacy protector puts your security first, making it a reliable ally for travelers and privacy enthusiasts alike. You've seen power banks in all shapes and sizes, but nothing quite like this. Introducing the TAU 3-in-1 Emergency Keyring Power Bank, a game changer that fits right on your keyring. Forget the bulky power banks you've seen before. This one packs a punch with 3 different connection options: USB-C, micro USB, and for all you Apple fans, a Lightning port. Despite its tiny size, it's anything but weak. It charges wirelessly and is equipped with a compact but powerful 1400 mAh battery, providing multiple charges when you're on the go. Perfect for everyday carry, this little powerhouse ensures you'll never be caught with a dead battery again. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with this electric camping cooking pan and pot designed for ultimate versatility and convenience. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or enjoying a day at the beach, this cookware can connect to power sources ranging from 200 watts to 1,000 watts, ensuring reliable, consistent heat even in windy conditions. Crafted from durable, food-safe materials, it resists leaks and impacts, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. With innovative cooking technology, it guarantees perfect results every time, making it an essential piece of gear for car camping, RV trips, or any outdoor cooking experience. Don't miss out on this must-have tool that combines practicality, durability, and high performance for your next adventure. Step into the world of advanced sound amplification with the Uzi Observation Device, a tool that acts like a bionic ear, letting you hear even the faintest sounds from up to 100 feet away. This innovative gadget comes fully equipped with a microphone, an 8x monocular for enhanced visual focus, and a frequency controller to fine-tune your listening experience. Its parabolic sound collecting dish is engineered to minimize background noise, ensuring crystal clear audio detection. Designed with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use, it also includes headphones for zeroing in on subtle sounds. As a bonus, it even offers recording capabilities, making it an ideal companion for nature enthusiasts, surveillance tasks, or anyone needing to capture faint noises precisely.